Harry, what did you say we are going?
Tsenku. It's around the Dodowa. Tsenku Waterfall.
Hello family, good afternoon. We are on our way to Tsenku Waterfalls in Dodowa. I have here with me Harry.
Yay.
And Mister, he cannot turn his head high because there are people coming in front of him there. So he cannot turn his head. We are stuck at the booth. We've been sitting here for about what, 20 minutes or so? More than 20 minutes. So we've never been there. Harry has been there, but we haven't been there. So we're going to see what it's all about.
It's a hidden treasure. It's not been found yet.
Harry said it is a hidden treasure. So I'm very excited.
It's, nothing has been done about it yet.
It's still unspoiled.
That's it.
So yeah, follow us and we see what happens later on.
There you go.
Peace and love, as Harry says.
That's it. The East Legon police station. Guess what? The guys built it for them. They built it.
For the taxi drivers?
No, the police station.
Oh,
The
okay.
executive club.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, fitness club. We're just driving through East Legon now. Today is Wednesday, the 16th of December. Vlogmas, day 16. The 16th of December 2020, day 16 for the Vlogmas. So it's nice and sunny. It's always sunny and nice in Africa. You're always in a good mood. You're always glowing because the sun is always shining. You don't have to look for it. See this person. Was he on the phone?
I think he's not sure what to do about now.
Oh, Jean, we do pass here to go where?
Merci.
Oh, give him. We will put it there for
back.
Yeah, for the toll. That's how we.
place is just untouched, you know. Or whatever they know. I don't know.
But that one looks like it's branching into the street.
You will see
Like
this one.
comes out, so you have to take a little bit because it's come on the road.
Okay, we're gonna make
The left hand.
a left. I think after the barrier.
Oh, the barrier up there. You have to pay again.
No, it's not. I think it's just to slow down. Or business for the boys. Boys in there. Let me call the guys and see.
Somebody's sitting there. Is he expecting money?
No, for the taxis and call, not us.
Oh, it's a market town here.
Yeah.
Oh.
If you follow the sat nav from here, I think it's
That's supposed to be a church. Yeah. Looks like it.
Italian flag?
NDC, NPP.
Oh.
Yeah. NDC is the one with the green. NPP is the one with the blue.
Oh, you come here
think-
and there's a stop here.
Ooh, look at this. Wow.
What do we do?
No. Go that way, let's see.
Oh,
think-
look at this, Gujav. Open the back window. There's a big thingy. Please open it. Open it.
Why can't you?
Ah! Go. Look at this thing. Look.
Does it go
Who's
down?
he going to
You
buy?
get it.
No, it doesn't go down. Any.
Oh, that's it. Let me do it.
Oh. It doesn't
I
open more
think
than that. It doesn't open
We
more
have
than
to go back and turn. I think we have to go
Thank you.
back and go the other way.
Yeah.
This is the chief's.
Thank you.
What?
Memorial Hall. Hey, it's lovely, eh?
Kajisbek is the guy that built Kolebu.
Oh.
Yeah.
So is the
Let me
per-
ask the
is the
guys
person
here.
buried here?
Here definitely they should.
Is the person buried here?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
It could
It's
be
the same
very
Memorial Hall,
no,
yeah.
no way. It's an I think English guy also.
So pretty up here. But the sign showed here. The English sign.
He's not buried here.
No. I think he went back. He was a governor.
Oh, they just built the thing.
He's a governor that built the hospital, Kolebu teaching
I
hospital.
didn't know there was an off-road. Oh, Jean, this is
Yeah,
this
I saw the
view.
road.
Oh,
The view for the mountain.
yes.
Thank you. but we know it's that.
I'm after a stream. There's a stream. Look at bamboos, bamboo trees.
Yeah, these are bamboo.
It's so lovely. Look, there's a stream here. Isn't that lovely? There's a stream.
So when they cut it, how do they transport it?
Beautiful.
The young ones.
It's some remote place. Oh, this place is wet. Look, it's wet. So I better retreat. I think the water rises all the way here and it's a bit slippery. Isn't that beautiful?
They use it for roofing.
Thick forest. We are inside a thick forest here.
Yeah, this Tsenku Waterfall between Dodowa and Abusma. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
And what's your name?
My name is Nanaya.
Are you the tour guide here?
Actually, I'm into government.
You are into government?
Yeah, but I used to take people all around.
Okay.
I get access to everybody in this land.
You know everybody in this land.
Oh,
It's so beautiful.
all this plastic all the way over.
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
look.
that's it. People like us
Look,
come here.
plastic, people bring the rubbish here. Can you believe it? They bring the rubbish here. In this beauty, it's so beautiful.
I want you to tidy up the place.
It's so beautiful.
I met, Dr.
But look at the
Arun
rubbish.
yesterday, then, how you people are talking to me. You talk to me very nice. Then.
Pastor Lawrence.
Yeah, Orange, yeah. He came to House of Chief, then he came visit here. They have a land tour at this area.
I tell you what, it's best you're doing it right and taking a photo. This is going soon.
It's so beautiful.
Start this
Oh, they are selling it.
concrete jungle.
Oh no.
You know? Beautiful.
It's so beautiful. Come on, people. We have to preserve our forests. It's not all about money.
I think more of the how do you call it?
It's not always about money.
The media
very
people, they always
Tout le soleil ici. Je te prends une photo. Yeah.
I get access to most of the ministers, Honorable Gandupi,
Really?
yeah, most.
So you have their direct, direct
I
number.
have everybody's number. I have a card in my wallet. I have lawyer, everything.
So you are the person we have to know.
He's the right person.
You
to
are
know.
the, you are the right
I
man.
get access to the assembly. I work with the assembly. Then those people, they don't take permits too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I report. Here was the rep here.
Okay.
So when I came here,
Pig farming.
Yeah, pig.
Oh, there was a pig farm here. Pig farm here. Look at the mountain. Look at the hill. Look at that hill.
Someone
It's
is
so
building at the top
beautiful. Oh, somebody is already building at the top.
But that place they doesn't sell. It's a how do you call it? Forest reserve.
there.
Okay.
So why is that building?
Oh, so you actually have forest reservation.
Okay.
So they have forest reservation then.
Yeah, for only farming.
Ah, that's
That's it.
nice.
You can leave this place for farming. That's it.
They should just leave it for farming. Hello. Day 16. We are in Tsenku Waterfalls. We are looking for the waterfalls. And today, the 16th of December, it's Zara's birthday. Happy birthday, Zara. From the thick forest in Ghana, in Tsenku. It's so beautiful here. So beautiful. Look at that. Behind me, the sun is shining through this space. It's so peaceful. Oh yes, day 16. We are hanging in there. It's so beautiful here. Look around me. Look at the beauty. Isn't this the Garden of Eden? Isn't this the Garden of Eden? The Garden of Eden. It's here. There's a stream down there. It's so pretty. Look at the flowers.
Yeah, Sikeba.
Land is alleged property of captain. Trespass at your own risk. So somebody has already bought it. Roofing.
Come.
This one for roofing.
Come. Some of the onya is here.
This is Onya.
Yeah, you see, this is the board. That was the board. Now they are using it for road. It's like timber.
Oh,
But this one is less.
they use this one for the road.
The one on the one like.
So they use it for the road. It lasts for long.
No. They use it to roof. That's what they get the money. But this one is the bricks one.
When I say roofing, you know, like you have to put wood before you put a roofing.
Yes. They use this one for the roofing. They use this wood. That's this big tree, and that plank of wood is the one they use for the roofs. It's just so pretty. Look at this. Everything is so pretty. There's a stream down there.
That's the stream from before.
The same with us. Our pawpaw are not coming out. Is it a problem? Yeah, to plant. Yeah. What? Yeah. Look at this tree behind me. It's so big. It must have been here for thousands and thousands of years, this tree. It's so huge. I'm just admiring the beauty around me. There's so much beauty. So much beauty around. Is it from the stream? Oh, what is that? That's a tree. That's for that tree. Ooh. Look at that. You see that tree that we left down there? This is its roots. All the way here. This is the roots. And here as well. So the waterfalls comes down here through this stream. Oh, I could just stay here. Minus our friends.
Yeah.
Oh, we've arrived.
No. It's not that far though, but
Okay.
it's on the other side.
Trying to capture the mountains ahead of us.
I want to take it from the old man, but the old man is not around.
Oh, must observe COVID protocols.
Okay.
Did you bring your mask?
No, I didn't.
Notice.
We have one in the car.
No, it's all right.
It's all right. We're not many people.
It's just a notice.
You'll be all right.
Be careful with the stones.
Cool, brethren.
Which way? Oh, they've made. Look at the way they've done with what they've done with the white stones. Beautiful. Look at. Look at that. The mountains. Africa is beautiful. I really like this, the way what they've done with the stone here. I like it. I can't really film because everybody's inside the picture.
That's the barrier up front, because that's the boundary between that town and this side.
Okay, where?
They want to claim that
The water.
The reef.
The reef.
Yeah, the reef, the boundary, and they want to claim the waterfall. Because it's going to bring money.
Right.
This was a very old tree which they cut down. The stream is down there. I think we're getting nearer to the waterfalls now. We're getting nearer. Look at that. Eh? You see how beautiful Africa is? Is this not the Garden of Eden? Look at the waterfall. Look at that. Look at this other big tree here. Look at the waterfall. Look. Look at it. Someone is cooking here. This is amazing. Amazing. She's making some yam. Hello. You're cooking yam?
Yes.
Hey, when is it ready? Come and get some. Waterfall. Making some yam. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful Africa. Africa is beautiful. Look. For free, no money exchange. No money.
If you can.
Are you going inside?
Oh, no, I'm not going.
Hey,
If you want to go?
it's so powerful. No,
If you want to,
I'm not
I'll
ready.
take a photo if you want to get closer.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, you can go to, but how to get there?
Where?
You have to take off your boot. No?
Those stones are going to be slippery.
If you take off your boot,
I should take off my shoes.
see where the guy is. I'll take your photo if you go there.
Just photo. Back to them.
You're brave. on this.
You're going to fall in the water.
You don't want that.
Bring me your camera then.
I want to be in the middle and take a photo.
Give me your phone then.
No, I think my memory is finished.
Oh, okay. It's okay. I'll take
yeah.
with this one. Don't worry. How is braving this trunk? He wants to go to the middle and take a picture. Very nice. Very nice. That is 10.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, too much plastic.
Mm.
No, I got mine.
And then
special.
yes.
But inside it, Tsenku special. You know, Tsenku special yam.
Yes,
know?
sir.
So what do we need?
Can we look now?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You should stop. But we did. Bye bye, yo. Thank you, eh?
Come here with drink.
Yeah, they come and drink. Get on high.
What's that?
Bottle of gin.
Oh.
Motorbike. Jean, motorbike is here. Going to where?
I think that's his end because he can't go past that. This way.
Maybe we'll lift it up. Oh, this is the oh, okay. This is their bin.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the burn it.
That's it.
Okay. That's a good idea.
You know that's what I do at my place. I told you, right?
Yeah, you say you burn your stuff
Stuff burn and then food are buried in the ground.
for compost.
Yeah.
Mm.
There you go.
We just came from the waterfall and we got some yam. The lady is so nice. The yam is so lovely. Yes. Oh, Jean, where's your camera? Is Amin a person
Did I take it? Okay, then.
with his camera? Better.
Daddy, then you bring me one more. No, we need one. Which will be too heavy for you.
We're heading back
You can't take your body weight.
because the rain is threatening to fall. It's thundering. So we are all heading back. I wanted to be in front so that I can take the stones nicely.
Before you go there, the first thing on the left. You're right. The left one.
The main entrance.
Yeah, after the main entrance.
You are going to where the bank is.
Yeah, before, no, right goes to the bank. Left. You know. Now, did you see that machete?
I didn't see any.
Oh, yeah, that's a machete.
Where? Oh, the kids.
Yeah, the kids.
I like what they've done. Eh? If you live in the village, you
He does. If you want me to drive back, I would.
are you looking behind you?
And it's a machete.
Are you looking behind you? Are you looking behind you? Are you looking behind you? Look behind you. He's
Okay. Sorry.
because of you now he's hiding you.
Sorry.
Oh.
Look, we have a pawpaw on the ground
what
there.
is
This is
A
what
paw.
I was talking about.
Oh, the baby one.
Yeah.
For us.
No, the one that's
Oh, proper
ripe,
one that
yeah.
came. Okay,
Ripe
dropped.
one. Yeah, there, that's
Wait.
another one there.
Where the
No, don't take his thingy. He's not here.
No, is he there? If
Is
he's
he
not there, don't worry. Next time we'll come. We'll come when he's here. Yeah? Yeah.
The one you have next is
No, the one is nursing because they will give us some.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
he
is
was
the
gonna ask-
It's the one
older
he
was
was
in
going to
here.
ask him to give us the one that is nursing.
Yeah, the one
I was
we
just
have
saying
already
this one
nested.
fell.
It's one small one.
Yeah, yes, yes.
And then we are the hungry one, but we have food on the ground everywhere.
Look at that,
You know,
yes. And
that's
people die of
The
hunger.
plantain, fucking everything.
You know?
We literally can walk sustainably.
Yes.
You know, we have
No.
everything to serve our food.
Food everywhere.
See, this one too.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
for growing.
the man of eating,
You know?
but the thing is,
we
you
come
don't
another
want to
time,
come
you
with.
Thank you. Then we've been brainwashed to do.
They don't
Even, you know what these guys tell me? Oh, you always going on holiday. I said, I will go
Ah,
on
ah.
holiday. You stay where you are.
Yes.
You know, I'm a friend that never even step anywhere.
You work, you.
Literally every place
Mhm.
we're going somewhere.
Mm-mm.
You know, you just do your working and send the money and die.
That's it.
You're gonna do that.
And it's true. It's true.
Boy,
You have to have time to enjoy. Take time to breathe and look at the nature and enjoy. It's not all work, 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 work.
Yes. This is the
It's really nice.
people
The
don't
waterfall.
understand, but when I
Oh, it's so lovely.
number
I said if I had my swimming suit, I would have gone under that.
here,
Yes, if I had a swimming suit.
you can never go
It's so
hungry.
pretty.
Look at that plantain, that's food. You understand?
Okay, that's
No,
plantain.
that's plantain.
This is plantain.
So it comes out with these things as well.
Yeah,
What?
the banana
The
plantain
leaf
comes
thing.
together. When the
Okay.
pots, it comes out of that pot.
Let me turn the camera. You see all the plantain.
That's what
This
we
is
cover
the
it.
plantain
Okay.
tree.
I thought it's only banana.
This is
with
plantain.
plantain as well.
In the same family.
Yeah, yeah.
And they all look alike.
Banana.
This one is banana.
Calm down.
The big one is banana.
Banana.
No, that,
Oh, that one is that not plantain?
No, banana.
They all look the same.
Banana.
Okay, that one is banana.
behind is banana.
Banana.
Oh, that is
Oh,
true.
here it's a banana.
Oh,
See.
this is banana.
Use
I
here.
can see the banana. Yes. Yes, yes. And this one is plantain. Okay. I would never know the difference.
You said that, Kim.
Banana is small.
Vlogmas. Hello, family. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. This was a lovely walk. You should really be here. I wish you could all come here. I wish I could transport all of you here to come to Africa, to come to Tsenku Waterfall. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful here. I want to stay. Very beautiful. It's prettiful. This is Africa. Nature. One with nature. It's so pretty. Look at the river. Who is it? Who is it? It's a guard.
Mama, you have a farm.
He has a farm.
Yeah, man. Apart from your farm, what else?
Hello.
Apart from your farm, what else do you have?
The farm, we have all patterns like cocoa,
Yeah.
avocado.
You have cocoa,
You have
nest?
cocoa now.
Yeah.
You have plantain now.
You need some.
You get plantain now.
Remove your
Go
Show us.
through, yeah.
Oh, we have to pass through the water.
There is another part.
Is it too long?
It's not too long. Let's
We have to take off our shoes.
Oh, Oluman is so.
Old man.
let's get over here so we can get
Yeah.
in. I have one party for you.
You
Oh,
know, when-
really?
When he sees machete, someone holding cutlass,
Yeah.
he doesn't like it. So
Mister doesn't like people
our
holding.
old man,
Daddy,
Holding machete.
Daddy,
he's saying,
yeah, I do it
Yeah.
for you, Rastafari. I know you. Watch me, you're an African. I've always been an African. Yeah, and I say you are an African. You know. You have the sign. Yeah, that's the sign. Forget the sign. Yeah, but no, the sign. The sign talks about the blood in the body. Yeah, respect, nice. Thank you. Nice.
Not I.
you guys, you learn. We are leaving now before you are coming. You know, what's up?
Hello.
Yeah.
Not I.
I see. Man.
So you have plantain now.
Yeah, I have plantain. You want some?
I would like to have some plantain.
You want to take it?
Mm.
Okay, we'll do it.
Mm. I'll take it. What else do you have? You say avocado?
You have a pim.
Which one is
Cocoa.
apim?
Apim is the one we are talking like. It's like how do you call it?
Cocoa.
It's like banana, but it's
Oh, smaller
plantain.
one, plantain.
but that one is
Ah,
good for
but you-
you and Olu.
It's a taxi. He's hiding it inside himself. Let's put it on him. Beautiful Africa. Who's the chief of our grandson? Oh, the grandson. Okay.
So when you are coming, I mentioned
So you two are chief. You are going to be chief. Yeah, why are you all Rastafarian?
you know, it's like a language that we use to communicate within the diaspora.
Oh.
Yeah. See?
They say the language.
It is now.
Look at them, they're all giggling. Which language?
Rastafarian.
Is it a language or a religion?
The language that we use within the diaspora.
So what's up? How have you guys doing? Good.
So where is this shortcut?
You see? The shortcut was going to be that water. We should have just shortcut there.
Yeah, you know, Daddy want to throw.
Daddy doesn't want to step in the water. Look, people, we are walking on this
I'm not going to
this
fall.
thing.
Slowly.
Look,
This is our waterfall.
it's lovely. That's a waterfall, and I'm standing on this plank of wood.
We have not like many.
Very nice. Yes. This is plantain farm.
Yeah,
Okay. For your family.
for our family.
We're walking deep in the forest. Which one? This is cassava leaf. We eat it from Congo. We eat it. Yes.
Sure.
We eat cassava leaf. Oh. Wednesday, 16th of December 2020. Vlogmasing inside the forest of Tsenku. Tsenku Falls. We're vlogmasing. Oh, there was a dip there. All in the name of vlogging. It's so beautiful here. We thought it was the thunder. This is pear tree. This big one.
Yeah.
I didn't know they come out so big. Jean, our avocado tree, that's how it's going to become. They said this is pear tree.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
The German, yeah.
And Jean, this flower is nice. And this plant, this one is nice.
Yeah.
So you live here. This is your,
Yeah.
that's your family. You say this is their place.
Imagine sitting here.
Yeah.
You know?
Is this contomere or the copy of contomere? Because there are some of them they say you don't eat. But they say there's some of them they say that looks like it.
The one from
The first one.
uh,
The middle one.
no, the yam
Yeah,
bigger.
yes, yes.
Yeah, bigger than this one.
Look at the flowers now. Look at the plants. Wow. Just growing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these plants. They're all growing on their own here. No one is watching them. Palm nut. Where's palm nut?
That's the palm nut.
Okay, the palm nut tree is here. And look at these plants. There's so many plants here. And I don't think anybody's planted them.
No.
They're just growing on their own. So what's your name?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your Ghana name? Because everybody has an African name.
Yeah, Kobe.
Me, I have an African name.
Kobe.
Kobe.
Yeah, Kobe.
Kwabna.
Kobe. Thank you.
Kwabna. You like living in here?
Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
But sometimes it's difficult for us to live here.
Okay. Why? It's difficult for you people to live here.
Sometimes it's about rain season or
Yes.
buy something on the roadside.
Yes.
And hear about this of things. Pepper.
This is pepper.
Yeah.
Which one? The long one?
This one. Pepper.
Oh,
Green pepper.
the green pepper. Oh, look at the green pepper. Green pepper. Look, they brought me this. These are bananas. They've just chopped them off from the tree now. Look at palm nut. How much is that one? Yes.
Fresh.
Nuts, palm nut. And these are the cocoa beans. They are drying them. Cocoa beans. They've got a lot of cocoa trees, Cocoa trees, banana trees, plantain trees, pear trees. Oh, this one is already growing.
Which one?
That is pear, isn't it?
Big seed inside.
Okay.
Like a pimp.
So is it genetical then? Why does it not have black seed
Because it's
inside?
special. This one,
It's
any
special.
sickness, when you are it's good for every
Lord,
sickness.
okay,
Hypertension, whatever.
Yeah,
whatever.
you boil it and then.
You just cook it. You cook it with contombre or garden
Yes.
egg stew or
So this one is called what?
unyaba.
Umniaba.
It's very expensive.
Okay.
Your friend.
Which friend?
Like
Your brother or
So it's not genetically modified
Yeah.
for them not to have black seeds.
Yeah. Unyaba.
How come it doesn't have black seed in it?
That's how it's.
That's how it is. It's not that they
It's
tampered
like
with
a
it,
pimp.
but they didn't tamper with it.
It's like a pimp. A pimp too doesn't have those things.
Inside, oh, okay.
What is a pim?
That's
the
the
one I
one
was
you
saying,
grow
it's
like
like a
banana.
nut.
That one you grow.
Oh, the other one. Okay. Okay, let him come so we can start going. But they are different. There's this one and this is different from that one, or they are the same.
And then they are
That's the normal one.
They have different grapes.
So they say this one is actually treatment. Hey, Africa is so rich.
It's getting
Africa
a
is so-
consomme. You just boil this,
Yes.
do your sauce, that's it. So how can you go hungry?
Yeah,
All
no.
these things are food and very nutritious.
Yes.
The green, all the green leafy vegetables.
Look at the flowers. Look at the red one. Look at this red one. Look at this red flower. Isn't that pretty? It's all growing in the wild. People pay a lot of money for this.
The guy will just get up and eat. He's got fruits, the vegetables.
Look at our
what
booty.
else?
Yeah, no sardine.
Sardine and corned beef.
Yeah, exactly.
You
You see
get
him,
bush meat.
you see him
Yeah.
and he's looking after this place. He's
That's
like,
it.
pam, pam, pam.
Yeah,
Mm. Where?
yeah, that's it.
There's a small seed there.
Exactly.
Today, I very unfortunate. I used to go around and pick up mushroom. Like the way you come, I will give you good mushroom.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because you know good people.
thank you, eh?
See to, yeah.
So what's your own name? What's your name?
Me,
I'll give me nine.
I'm new.
Ni. Ni.
Nina.
N-I-I.
Yeah.
The Ghanaian Ni.
Yeah. Ni I.
Ni-I, yeah. Thank you for bringing.
Ni is like a king.
Yeah, you say he's a son of the
Grandson,
chief,
yeah.
the grandson of the chief.
Yeah.
So you stay here on your own?
Oh, yeah, it's my cottage.
It's a
Or cottage or holiday place?
Come and work.
And then,
Uh-huh.
I go back to my family.
Okay, okay.
I have 3 kids.
Do you?
Wow.
So how old are you then? You already have 3 children?
Yeah.
Hey, you've tried though?
I'm 41.
No way.
You don't believe it.
No,
You don't believe it.
No.
Watch me. I don't believe it.
no.
You don't believe it.
You're 41 because you work a lot here.
I'm hard.
It's very good. So what are we going to do?
You saw my farm. You pass through.
Yeah,
From
all
the
the way.
entrance. Square, you know. Still, I'm doing further.
You do all that.
Yeah, I'm doing further.
Brilliant.
Can you divide the banana into
Yeah,
two?
yeah,
Because
we
so we
just
can
Oh,
share.
no, let's go. When we do it.
No, you put it in a car if you get there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
This
all
one
right.
is simple. If you have now, you
Okay.
Yeah, you just remove
It's
it.
easy, they know, they will just take
Brethren
it
is a
out.
No, I was
local
just saying that
nigga.
if it's like, okay, no
we'll
problem.
do it.
Let's go.
Hey,
Yeah.
super.
So who's going to carry all this booty?
So I want
Because let's
chopper.
help you.
Make
They're
we
eating
go.
pawpaw.
Me farm banana, but
You know how darkness comes here.
Yeah.
It's like
you
the
go now.
dirty.
Make we hold the media account.
And then I also have contomere. He has given us contomere. Fresh. Farm fresh. Oh, anyway, I have phobia. I'll try and make something like
Yeah.
this. I'll try
Yeah,
and do it.
this farm nut. You can make soup
Thank you very much.
from nut.
Okay, we're going to start eating.
So what are we going to do now?
We are moving.
Oh, we've been given pawpaw fresh.
Very fresh. Nice.
I know.
You know the seeds are very good
So, stomach, yeah.
for your stomach. Do you know that you can eat these seeds? Do you know about these seeds?
Yeah.
When you eat it for the
Yeah, it's good.
it's good
It's good
Yeah,
for
heart
heart.
attack.
heart-
And then hypertension.
Worms.
The worms.
It's good
this
for
one-
worms,
this one,
hypertension.
it will run you off when you
Yeah.
chew the seed.
Mhm.
You get free valves.
Mm.
The speed my people to make we relax, make it with the Red Bull.
It's also good to regulate
Oh,
your
bullet
stomach.
seed,
It
they go
says
put some
the
flavor
seeds
in
of
that
the
food.
pawpaw.
No.
Yeah.
Let's say go
So we have booties here.
go pick
Go
them,
come.
you don't
If you
know.
don't see it for there, go come for it.
Yeah, make we go.
Make you wedge. Make it the chop from them.
Are we going?
No, finish eating.
No, we can go while we're cooking.
No, let's go.
Oh, they have to carry. Okay.
Watch it.
Jean, this one's got so much seed there
Yeah.
compared to the one we normally buy. I've eaten some of
think
it.
those
I've chewed on some of it.
The ones we buy,
Mhm.
it's like the not organic. The ones they do for,
Genetical.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the way out to where we park the car. Where? Oh, where's the hole? Jean,
Oh, be careful. It's just
there's a deep. It's forest walking today. The whole day is forest walking.
those chiefs, they used to come and farm here.
Oh, the chiefs. Mm. So what happened now?
This land,
They don't do that. They don't do that anymore.
because the farm now that time is their land.
Okay.
We let them farm the ground for the chef.
Okay.
So he comes and carries them. We have a place to stay. So he carries on the farm. Family farm. Oh.
We're back onto this plank. Steady. Steady.
How long it takes you to get the chocolate?
Oh, you're making charcoal.
Yeah.
1 week?
Oh.
Charcoal. Oh, really? Yeah.
Oh, the guy here makes
This
charcoal.
one, it will take about 3 days or 4 days.
Oh.
3 or 4 days.
To burn out.
You bury it in the ground.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll put leaves on it. Put
It's
it
here you
aside,
do it.
And the same area.
Yeah,
It's
that's
here.
Then
Oh.
the leaves will cover it. Then the soil will cover. That will be the last one.
So do you make a lot of it
Yes.
and then you sell it off?
Yes.
Thank you. Wow.
Cover the wood. So you made mud. You use mud, yeah, you put on top, cover it.
So the fire is just there, small.
When we were young,
No, the fire is inside that thing like an oven. It becomes
Yeah.
like an oven.
okay,
yeah.
that's what I was gonna say.
Mm.
My grandma's house next door, they do bread, and the guys use like a mud oven.
That's right.
You know, I haven't seen that since. They do the bread from in there. And every day smells so nice. So we'll run there straight to go buy bread from them. You know, they put the bread is huge, round like a dome. You know,
That's right.
Harry, I have to share this contemporary with your mom.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, we have to share it.
So Harry's gonna eat contemporary.
Why won't you eat contemporary? It's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
If she's got Kobe without those plantains, you know, she'll make it. Hey, food is really medicine here, you know. It shouldn't really be, oh, I have this, I have that.
I tell you what,
You know?
when you come here, you eat, you feel different. The food,
No,
you can
even
feel
your
the
skin, even your skin, you know, once you come here, your skin,
everything changes.
everything just changes. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? So this water that you see here is coming from the waterfall. Yeah. It's coming from the waterfall. That's Tsenku Waterfalls. It goes all the way down there. We're back to where we started. We're leaving the forest now. It was such a nice day. I hope you've had a beautiful day today. Look, I've got contemporary leaves here with me. This guy has spoiled us today. So we're just loading the car with our booty. Yeah. Thank you. So we've practically spent most of the time here in the Tsenku Falls, waterfalls, and it was very interesting, very nice area. It's all green everywhere. We're just leaving now. So I hope you've all enjoyed your day. Peace out. Oh, what's that? What was that? Dog. We're going to run over that dog. That dog.
You know, most accidents caused by dogs and goats.
And goats. Ooh, that dog was gone. They wait for no one.
It's strange because they should be used to humor and roads by now and know
Be good,
that.
be kind, always. Peace and love. Peace. A small pause. The road is so nice.